What's up, everybody? So about to show you a little bit about my bike, what I've been doing to customize it, and then I'm going to do I'm going to change these grips that you see here. I got these grips when I first got the bike, but then I lost one of the end caps here, so I was like, I just might as well get some new ones. So little by little, I've been customizing my bike. I've been doing it on my own. Sometimes I got family coming over and helping me out. But everything you see here it's all customized. I installed it myself. I didn't take it to a shop. You took my time. I researched it mostly on YouTube. You know how to install little things. I upgraded the handlebars. You know, I got some risers on it. You know, the fairings, and just you know, little by little been customizing it. So I'm gonna do a little installation of the new grips. So I'll do a little unboxing here in a bit, and then you guys can check it out. I'll do a little step-by-step on how to upgrade the grips here. This is 2023 Fat Bob 114 engine and softail. Pretty nice. I'm very happy with this bike. So stay tuned and I'll do a little installation. Thanks. So these are the grips I got. You know, I just like the look of it. It, you know, has the Harley Davidson emblem on it. It has some rubber gripping there. That's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of this. Hate these little plastic things, so hard to get out, so I'm gonna have to just cut it. Alright, so there they are. You know, they're pretty cool. The chrome, was expecting a little bit more here. These kind of look like it's hard plastic, but I mean, they look nice. You know, end caps look a little more stable than the other ones I have. I think those end caps just kind of screw on, so that's how I lost one, and I don't know where I lost it. We do have, you know, two sides. You got a left and a right. So the right is for the throttle. The way that you know is if you can't really see in here, but let me see if I can get some light. I don't know if you can see that, but at the end, the far end there, there's kind of like some teeth that go on the actual throttle. So you want to make sure that you're installing it correctly. The throttle side, which is the right, and then the left-hand side is doesn't have any threads or anything at the end there. Okay. It does come with some instructions, you know, so if you want to follow the instructions on this, that'd be the way to go. It's pretty straightforward. It's not rocket science. So I'll go ahead and I'll get started and do a little install of the grips so you can kind of see what I did. All right, so you're gonna need two, you know, hex screws to get them out. So you want to get this one is a T27, which is gonna go here for the one of the controls, and then you need a smaller one, which is the T25, and then you're gonna use over here for your other controls. So you might get away with just maybe loosening up the controls with you ignition controls here. So you want to be careful. You don't want to strip these, which I've already done a few times, and it's just very hard to get these new screws. So you want to make sure that you be very gentle, take your time, Don't rush it. You're not in a hurry. Rather than you take your time, do it right, than kind of rush and make a mistake, and then you end up spending more time trying to fix it. So, got one off. There's another one down here in the bottom. Kind of hard to see. You don't have to go on the other side. These are kind of hard to get at, so again, just take your time. Should heed my own advice because I rarely take my time. Alright. So you might get away with just getting this controller off. So I'm working on the throttle side, which is the right hand side. Now you might be able to get it off, but see, it's still a little hard to get the bottom side off, so I will have to get the other end of the controller off there. There we go. Once you loosen that, then this will just slide right off. You want to make sure that we're using the right one. You see these little, this is where the throttle goes, so these little grooves should go into the little teeth that are inside the right hand side. Want to slip that in there and make sure to position it. And it should be inside the first controller there. Okay. So that at this time you want to, once you get it kind of positioned in that first controller, then you want to start screwing the bigger screws. The top one in there. And then before you tighten it up, you want to make sure also to position it correctly so that it's comfortable for your hand before you tighten it all down. Should be good there. Now let's get this other cap in here. Make sure that's positioned there. And it's clamping okay. And we'll just put these screws in there. One. Two. Excuse me for bumping into the camera. Trying to do this without any help. There you go. That's the right hand side. Looks pretty nice. Okay, let's go over to the left one and we'll do that installation. Continue with the bottom one, loosen it up. I don't think I gotta take it all the way off. We'll see right there. Just as long as we can. There we go. So this one should slip right off. Now, there's some folks that'll tell you that you have to put glue on these. It's up to you. I don't know. I didn't have to put glue on this one. Once I tightened it up, it was pretty secure. So rather than putting glue, but it depends on the bar. It depends on the grip you have. If you want to go ahead and put some glue on there, you know, just to make it more stable, then you can do that. Oh, slip this one in there, make sure it's all the way in. All right, make sure again to position it, and then you want to get it into the grooves there. Just like that. And then we're going to tighten these up. Put the other one on top. I actually have a custom phone holder, so that's why it looks like this, the bottom. All right, I had to fast forward a little bit. I apologize. My GoPro overheated. So I had to stick it in the freezer for a little bit just to bring it down and cool it off, and then hopefully I can finish this install. So I'm just about done. I'm just doing the final adjustments and screwing everything back together. As you can see, the grips are on. So just need to make sure that everything is all tight and adjusted correctly. Bottom one is kind of a little tricky there. Trying to go slow again, not to strip it. All right. Looks good there. Looks like a good position. Straighten this out. All right. There you go. Just installed the new grips. They look pretty nice on the bike. Nice little chrome complements. All right, that's it. It was pretty simple. So if you like this, you know, stay tuned. We'll be putting more stuff on this bike, and I'll try to record everything as I go along. All right, see you later, guys.